Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So as you see, today is Reno's part 12. It's come a long way since I did my last update. So I'll get the camera turned around and we'll show you what's been going on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. I have got the stove in, as you can see, and I've got the new range hood in, and you can see the warming light that works on there. Again, you can see how the fan works here. Turn that off. Again, and that's all plumbed into there, and the power's up in here, plugged into there. So you can see I've got the doors on now, all the way up here, all the way around. The doors are all done. Waiting for these two doors to come in yet. All this is done. The fridge is in place. These doors are in. Hardware on. Waiting for the cabinet to come in for here. We've got all these doors on. Dishwasher's in and works. Of course the fridge works. The new range is in. Again, I've shown you the hood. We've got the microwave all in. Again, all the hardware. I built that box there for the microwave. I built this open box for here. I'm waiting for material to build this open box here. And yeah, I've got the cover plates on here on the plug-ins, as you can see here. And now I can start to do the backsplash next week. It's going to get done right up to the cover plate, even with that. So that's why I got the plates on, so I can do the backsplash up to there. Now, like I said, all the hardware and everything is on the doors. I've got this wall roughed in here, ready for mud and tape and finishing. Again, I've got to finish in here next week so I can backsplash up to there. But yeah, she's coming along in here, and I'll just kind of give you a glide through of what it looks like with some music to it. So there we have Reno's part 12. I know it doesn't seem like it's moving along that fast, but hanging doors and drilling for hardware and getting all this other stuff measured up and finished to the point where I can now do backsplash next week should be a lot more done, I guess, once I get the backsplash done. And then I can start trimming trimming it all out and finishing that, and then I can move on back to the booth over here and get it all mudded and taped and primed, ready to get all that done. So the kitchen, you know, should be done within the next basically couple weeks. Like I said, I'm still waiting for some cabinet doors and some wood to finish off a few little pieces in there. But yeah, it's starting to work like a functioning kitchen now. So I hope you enjoyed this update on the Renos, and we'll talk to you later. Remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Later. Bye now.